Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to turn on live photos on TikTok. If you want to make your profile more dynamic or capture those perfect moments, this feature is a game changer. Stick around as I'm going to show you guys how to enable it in just a few simple steps. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First up, update your TikTok app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now, in the search box, type in the app name TikTok and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of its update process, launch it. You'll be directed to the home page. Now, navigate to the profile page. Now, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Click on the option Settings and Privacy. Here you're going to find different sections. Under Content and Display, you'll find the option of Accessibility. Click on that. Now, here you'll find the option of Animated Thumbnail. Enable for this option. And just with that, you have Enable Live Photos feature on TikTok. So, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.